We just had about the 10th or so biggest storm on record here in St. Paul. I thought I'd do a quick video. I got a cider, 4 an extra milk stout, steam beer, and India black lager. Gonna have some samples. Gonna be going to watch the Packers. Here's my tuck under area. That's just, I got it all plowed out, but you can see the snow here. Here's the kids' slide and swing. That's totally buried. There's the garage. So yeah, we got a major amount of snow. Nice and sunny today, but here's the carved out through the snow to get up the stairs. Snow is piled all the way up to the top of the fence right there. And go Packers.